So it's been another difficult day. I've done quite a lot. I did some digging up at the fish pond area. Still taking me ages to do, not very much. And I painted some more of the fence wood today. So first time I tried that, I managed 3 pieces of wood, one 3-metre fence post and a couple of 1.8 metre boards. Today I gave a second coat to each of those and managed to paint a first coat and another 8 boards. So I guess the stamina there is better. I was perhaps a bit more coordinated doing it. And I've potted on some courgettes and lazed around in the sunshine. Another glorious day. It's clouding up now. I wonder if the weather's going to change. Anyway, I got given this giant jar of Marmite, which isn't a giant jar of Marmite at all, a few years ago at Christmas, and it's a jigsaw, and I thought doing a jigsaw might be a good idea. So it's a double-sided jigsaw. It makes one large Marmite jar on one side and a pattern of many small jars, Marmite jars on the other side. So that side I think is more difficult to identify the pieces. That's the way around I did it before. It didn't take terribly long. It's only a 500-piece puzzle. So I thought I'd do this side. The means of getting my fingers working a bit. So let's see if we can get all the pieces turned the right way up, spread out to begin with, which won't be the easiest thing to do, and I have to try and do it with my right hand as much as possible. So anything that looks like that has to get turned over to like that, so we're going to have lots of black pieces, and just trying to work out what way around each piece actually should be for the big Marmite jar. So that's not going to make for a particularly riveting video, I shouldn't think. So I will shortly be switching the camera off and just trying to get this sorted myself. I said I'd given up on trying to get the hedgehog filmed, but I went to bed early last night, which I did do, but I got up to make something to drink, and as I was walking through, the hedgehog was out on the lawn, so I did actually manage to grab a camera and take a little bit of film of the hedgehog. Not very much, it has to be said, but I'll pop that on the end of this clip and probably post it as a separate clip. I'm wanting to get some wildlife and garden videos going. Plan to do some sort of more biology based stuff on this channel as I recover from this little stroke. The pond itself is going to be, well, I'm not going to give the game away, but I hope this pond is going to be quite an exciting little venture as far as wildlife and biology in the garden is concerned. It might be a complete flop, but we're going to have some fun trying to do it. So there will be some videos of the pond, so I'm going to create playlists. I've already got a playlist for the stroke recovery stuff, and I'll do some more for the pond and various biology things, and they'll probably branch out into some current affairs-y stuff, especially involving science, things like climate change and one or two other things. I don't have great expertise in those sorts of areas, but I'll stick my opinion on YouTube and people can listen to it if they want to. And I'll try to be. I'm quite keen to do some videos about vaccinations, not least because of the current pandemic, but because of the fairly large and incredibly stupid anti-vaccination movement, which annoys the heck out of me. But there we go. So I'm managing to use my right hand. That arm is tired again. Fingers, particularly the ring finger here and the middle finger, are really not working well. I'm getting better with the thumb and first finger, and I can much better touch my fingertips together than I could. I couldn't actually make the thumb touch the fingertips at all when I was in hospital. I don't know if that's coming out on camera if I've got my hand in the right spot, but being able to do this is quite a step forward, even if it's not as quick as the left hand. So I'm going to stop whittering, switch the camera off, and maybe switch it back on once I've got all the pieces turned over.
So I managed to get all the pieces, I think, the right way up. I've sorted out most of the edge pieces are over on this side. and I did probably 90, maybe 95% of that just using my right hand and my right arm. It's